going on, guys? Kirk here from MotoGear TV. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. And today we're going to be finishing up some of the exterior mods on the M2. Now I know I promised you guys in a previous episode that I'd be finishing the aero parts. So today we're going to be adding some carbon fiber accent pieces both to the front of the car and to the side that I think are going to really complete the final look of the car. This is going to be a pretty easy install, so we're going to run through it very quickly. Stay tuned. Let's get started. So these are the pieces we're going to be installing today. As I mentioned, not too much, but I think these are going to complete the overall look. So to start over on this side, the first piece we're going to be tackling today is going to be these front bumper fangs, I should call it. It's going to sit right there on the front bumper. Not only is it carbon fiber, but if you would look right here, you notice that it has an extra little fin that's not normally seen on the front of the car. I think it's going to give a more aggressive look. The install is pretty simple. We're going to use double-sided tape, place it on, and then we should be done. Next piece is going to be our carbon fiber eyelids. Now I was really debating if I wanted to run these or not. It's super easy to install. Again, we're going to have to apply some double-sided tape to this. It's going to sit right on top of the headlight. I think it should give the front end of the car a more aggressive look. For those of you who have the M2, you notice that it does come with this silver trim. I'm not a really big fan of that, so I think putting the carbon fiber accent piece on it is definitely going to give it that more stealthy dark look I was going for. And then the final piece of the puzzle is going to be these carbon fiber side wings. Now this is something I really wanted to add from the start. As you guys would know, the stock side skirt is pretty plain in my opinion. While this isn't a necessarily big piece, I think it's going to add a little bit more aggression to the side and also the rear end of the car. For this, we're going to be using some self-tapping screws that comes with it, and also some double-sided tape on the inside. Again, super easy, nothing complicated to it. Right now we're just going to prep all the surfaces and get started. So right now, in order to get the surface ready, we're going to use some surface prep. You can use soap and water or alcohol or any type of panel wipe. You just want to make sure that it doesn't have any dirt or any oil. So when you stick the piece on it, the double-sided tape is going to bond to the surface. Alright, so we'll just peel that back a little just to give us some leverage. Alright, and the first piece is on, and man, this thing looks really nice. There's just something about carbon fiber on a black car that really stands out to me. Even though it might not be as obvious as if it was on a different color car, trust me, it really stands out. I especially love this little fang design I was mentioning to you guys earlier. It really pops on the car. I think right now we're just going to go ahead and complete the other side and then move to the headlights. Alright, next up we're going to be adding the carbon fiber eyelid. I already have my double-sided tape on it right now. Pretty simple process, just going to peel it off, going to line it on the top edge of the headlight, and should be good after that. Alright guys, so it's day 2 of the install. We actually had to take a pause on this project because the weather has been really bad over the last few days. It's been raining non-stop, and even today we had some rain earlier. So right now we're going to go ahead and install the final piece of the puzzle, and that's the carbon fiber side skirt. Now the installation of this piece should be pretty simple, just as how we did the piece for the front bumper and the eyelid for the headlight. Alright, now as you guys can see, the OEM side skirt has a very unique contour at the base of it. What we're going to have to do is to line up the new carbon side wing along the edges. So one of the things we noticed when doing the test fitment is that it really lines up nice and evenly with the OEM side skirt. So what we're going to do right now is to peel back the double-sided tape, line it up, stick it on, and then we're going to finish up by drilling in the self-tapping screws. Now, one of the important things with lining this thing up is you want to make sure that it follows the contour of the side skirt, and again you want to make sure that the side wing doesn't go beyond the side skirt itself. Now where we have it right now, you want to make sure everything is lined up with the edges, and I think this should be a good position to where we want to go ahead and mount it. Alright, so we'll peel back a little bit of the tape. We're just going to go ahead and line it up, tack it on just a little bit, and make sure that we get the position right. I think that should be decent where we want it. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Alright, so the tape is on. This is part 1. Second step, we're going to have to use the self-tapping screws to secure everything into place. So for the final step, we're going to use a stubby impact just because we have limited space underneath. I wouldn't really recommend using this. Typically you'd want to use a normal power drill, but this should still be good enough. The self-tapping screws are pretty straightforward. There's going to be 3 holes that we're going to drill into. It shouldn't be hard at all, so we're just going to take our time and do it. Oops. That's it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's episode on installing all of the carbon fiber pieces. Once again, I'm super happy with how everything turned out. The fitment on all 3 pieces were really spot on, and I definitely think it enhances the overall look of the car. Now there are a few other things that I have added to the car that we'll go over in a future episode. You might be able to kind of see it in some of the clips, and don't worry, we're going to be showcasing that in the next few days, so definitely look out for that. And before I go, I just wanted to give a big shout out to all of our supporters. We just hit 4,000 subscribers on the channel, guys. Really happy for all of the growth we've had so far. 4,000 is definitely a very big milestone for us personally. I know we have so much more to accomplish and so much more to go. I definitely want to say thank you to everyone who's liked the video, subscribed to the channel, and definitely look out for more, guys. We have a lot to accomplish, and me and Mark have definitely been enjoying the journey so far. Now Mark is all the way over there sitting down, doesn't want to be in the sun like me. But if you guys are interested in any of the carbon fiber pieces, stay tuned. We're actually going to be announcing something really nice, hopefully in the next coming weeks, especially regarding carbon fiber pieces. If you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned for that. So until then, not going to say any more. Thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one, and until then, we're gone.